5 best features.
Big display that's easy on the eyes. The StormCall 3 Plus comes with a large, clear display that makes notifications, calls, and watch faces easy to read. Even outdoors, the screen feels bright enough for daily use. Bluetooth calling actually works well. Call quality is decent for a budget smartwatch. The mic and speaker are good enough for quick calls while cooking, walking, or when your phone isn't nearby. Comfortable for all-day wear. The watch is lightweight and doesn't dig into your wrist. You can easily wear it all day, office, gym, or sleep, without feeling uncomfortable. Useful health and fitness tracking. It covers basics like heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, and steps. The data may not be medical grade, but it's consistent and helpful for daily fitness awareness. Battery lasts multiple days. With normal usage, the battery easily lasts around 5 to 7 days. You don't have to worry about charging it every single night.
Oh, top 3 drawbacks.
App experience feels average. The boAt companion app works, but it's not very smooth. Sometimes syncing is slow, and the UI could definitely be better. Limited smart features. You get call alerts and notifications, but you can't reply to messages or use advanced smart features. It's more basic smart than fully smart. Watch faces could be better optimized. Some watch faces look good, but don't always show information clearly. Customization options are there, but not all faces feel practical.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.
Please like the video and subscribe for more helpful content.